I'm standing here with David from MediRoutes. Thanks for having this interview. We're with NEMT Connect.
Good morning. Yeah.
Good morning.
Thanks for hosting.
Yeah, so it looks as though you have this nice piece of software over here called MediRoutes that's designed with ease of use, and it's used for the NEMT people who want non-emergency medical transportation to get to where they need to if they can't use some of the competition like Uber and Lyft.
Absolutely. Yeah, we've been in business since 2008, and yeah, it's been a lot of fun. We've built up a network of about 750 clients as transportation providers, and they're doing business all across the U.S., transporting over 1 million patients every month to and from their medical appointments. And yeah, so the graphic you're looking at here is what the passenger would see if they're using our network, our app. So really just trying to help our clients focus on what they do best and let the technology sit in the background.
Yeah, it definitely seems you're focused on your clients and you're focused on making your technology as easy to use for as many people as possible.
Absolutely.
That's good. Have you been in this NEMTAC conference for long? Is this your first time? Is this?
Yeah, it's a great question. So we were one of the founding members of NEMTAC. So one of the original sponsors,
Nice.
and I sit on the technology advisory board. So we're pretty involved in just trying to figure out best practices for the industry, trying to standardize data standards, integrations. So we've been heavily involved in NEMTAC and really excited with what they're doing throughout the industry.
Excellent. And what have you gotten out of this conference so far, David?
Yeah, I think it's just great to see a lot of faces after COVID. Everybody, well, not that it's over necessarily, but now that we're able to walk around and be out and about, just being able to network with folks I haven't seen for a long time. Talking to our clients, talking with prospective clients, and then honestly learning from our competitors and learning from industry folks that are up on stage. It's just been a really nice kind of focus on the industry, so we're just glad to be a part of it.
And what would you say are the benefits that you had with implementing technology in the industry?
The benefits to providers or to the industry itself?
Yeah, it could be to the providers as well, but definitely the industry.
Yeah, so I mean, overall, I think we're seeing a cosmic shift from back in the day when everybody sat there with a clipboard and they'd hand somebody a set of keys and tell them, okay, go around and pick these 10 passengers up and take them to these different places. Where at the end of the day, you might have not seen a couple passengers that weren't there. You might have gone to the wrong address and not known it. There could have been a change of the trip schedule, and you'd have to then call and cross stuff off your clipboard. And so I think what we've tried to do is bring all of those human natural changes into a technology platform that's super easy to use, very affordable. So our transportation providers can focus on growth. They can focus on the white glove level of service that's absolutely necessary for these medical transportation patients. And so yeah, that's what we are pretty excited about doing, just producing tools that make the whole thing run a little easier.
What are still some challenges that your company needs to overcome, or based on who you're talking to in the conference so far, what are some challenges that you see that we still need to get over to improve this industry and make it go forward?
Yeah, we've been thinking a lot about that. I think as an industry, I'd like to see a shift from our clients having the burden of paying for this type of tool to put that type of thing on the payers, right? The payers need all of this real-time data. They want to know that their passengers are being taken care of. It's really important for social determinants of health. And so if we can, collectively lobby and kind of show through years and years of use of this tool how much better the level of service is, how better the patient outcomes are, the population health, then I believe that the payers can take this burden on, once again allowing our clients who do the hard job, right? They run the vehicles, they fix brake pads, they handle all the passenger interactions and the cancellations and generally an aging population. We want to remove the burden of dollars and cents from that equation, and so we see a trend towards that.
Yeah, excellent, because it looks like this has the potential to have, store lots of data at once that would help put it on the payers to help, your company help your clients better.
Yeah, and at the end of the day, I think the whole population just is healthier when this type of transportation gets you there, more preventative care appointments, that type of thing. So, yeah.
All right, one more question. Really
Please.
Tough one.
Yeah, hit me.
What's your favorite color?
You know, I got to go with green, but gosh, my favorite color in New Orleans has been all the jazz. That has been incredible just to see all the art, culture, music. I'm not from here, so we're pretty fortunate to have the conference hosted in this great city.
All right. Thanks for your time, David. It was a pleasure.
Thank you so much. Pleasure.